In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "Your connection is not private" message in Shopify. This message can be quite alarming, especially when you're trying to run an online store. It can drive customers away, impacting your business significantly. So, let's go through a step-by-step guide to help resolve this issue and ensure your customers have a smooth and secure shopping experience. The first thing to do is to identify if your SSL certificate has been correctly installed. An SSL certificate is crucial for ensuring that the data transferred between your server and your customers is encrypted and secure. In Shopify, this is typically handled for you automatically. However, there might be instances where it doesn't function as expected. To check this, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Online Store section and then select Domains. Here, you need to ensure that the domain you're using has HTTPS enabled. If HTTPS isn't enabled or if it's showing any errors, you might need to reconnect or verify the domain. Make sure that the SSL pending message is not visible. If it is, give it some time. Sometimes, the system just needs a bit more time to update. If the issue persists after waiting for up to 48 hours, it could indicate a more significant problem that may require further investigation. Next, you should clear your browser's cache. Sometimes, cached data can cause issues when it comes to loading your website correctly. This is because older versions of your site may be stored in your browser, leading to SSL errors. To clear your cache, head to your browser's settings. It's usually found in the History section. Choose the option to clear browsing data, making sure to select Cached Images and Files. Once you've done this, reload your site to see if the problem persists. If the issue is still unresolved, consider checking for any firewall or antivirus settings that could be interfering. Occasionally, aggressive security software can block SSL connections, mistaking them for potential threats. Disable your firewall or security software temporarily and then try accessing your Shopify store again. Remember to re-enable your settings once you've determined whether this is the cause, as keeping your computer protected is essential. Lastly, if these steps aren't effective, it may be time to reach out to Shopify support. They can provide detailed assistance and perform a deeper dive into potential issues that you might not be able to address independently. Having their technical support team assist ensures that you're covering all bases to keep your Shopify store running smoothly and securely. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to fixing the "Your connection is not private" message in Shopify. Ensuring your store is secure and trustworthy is vital for maintaining the confidence of your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you keep your online business operating without a hitch.